Hey everybody, today we're going to be kicking off Vlogmas with a little unboxing. I actually started not to do this video because I feel like there are enough unboxing of iPads, but I've been getting some messages lately on Instagram asking what I use to do my design work with and the program, so I just figured this would be the perfect time to go ahead and do this, and I'm glad I saved this footage because I've had my iPad for a while now, so I'm just going to tell you a little bit about what I have. So here I just have my personalized Airpods with a charging case, and on it I just engraved it, and with the Apple Pencil as well I engraved that too, and it's the second generation. To get your items engraved, I think it's free, and then you have a small space, so just make sure you get something that is going to speak to you. So I just got God You Reign on it, and then on the pencil I just put my name. Here is my iPad. So this is the 256 gigabyte. It's an iPad Pro 12.9 inch, and it's the 4th generation. And I didn't get mine with Wi-Fi, but you can add it on there if you like to later. So I also got my iPad engraved, and these lyrics are from my sister's song. She's a singer and a songwriter, and I just feel like in a time like this, this is what spoke to me the most. So that's why I chose those words. So one of the questions that I normally get is what I use to do my design work in, and I use the Creative Cloud, so the Adobe suite. I use it for layout design, magazines, marketing material, flyers to create logos, photography, edits, typography, and also print design. So I just wanted to show you some things that I've been using my iPad for. So here are some digital stickers. You can use these for planners if you're doing it just digitally, and also on Instagram. So when I set up my iPad, I kind of realized really quickly that I didn't want it connected to my iMac or my phone because I work off of both of them. So what I did was I went through this process and then realized that I had actually set it up to the wrong iCloud account. So I had to go through the whole process again. And then once I got that figured out, I went in and deleted a lot of the stuff that it took from my iMac, because I just feel like I don't need to be having an overload of all that stuff that I see on my computer. So on here I just wanted a fresh start. I went ahead and did the facial recognition on here, so you'll see me do that in a second. Okay, so while all of that is getting set up, I just want to show you a little bit of illustrations that I've been working on lately. It is the holidays, and so I have been making greeting cards, stickers, and just a lot of different things that you can have to do stocking stuffers with too. So this is just a girl that I did. I loved working with patterns and different bold colors. So that's one thing that I do like about the iPads, that it's so easy to separate your artwork from the background, and you can just change it up a whole lot. I really love doing these little bitty patterns on different parts of my girls. Normally it's in the hair or on the clothes. So I don't know, I just take time and appreciate every small thing. So it does take quite a bit to download everything and make sure everything is updated. But after all that is finally done, you get a chance to put on whatever cover that you like for a screen protector. And this is the paper-like cover. My sister actually gave this to me once I bought one, and I was having quite a bit of problems putting it on at first. After I cleaned off my screen, I couldn't tell which was the right side up, so I ended up having to ask her for some help. But at the end, I think I got it on pretty good, and I love the way the pencil just glides across the top surface. Alright, so my sister sent me a link so that I could follow along with a tutorial, and the link kind of helped, and so I was able to get the top on really good without that many bubbles. I totally recommend getting some type of earbud. So my AirPods connect to my iPad, my iMac, and my phone, and whichever device I'm on, the AirPods will automatically sync to that device. So now I have just downloaded Procreate, and I changed my background as well just to kind of make it a little bit more personalized. So this is the home screen. I just put an illustration on there, and then this is what the lock screen looks like. I hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully I answered some of your questions. Have a good day.